Hey guys, I'm Sarah. School is officially back for all my kids this week, so thought I would get into a nice kid-pleasing lunchbox recipe. This is just so super simple. Also, my kids haven't been eating oranges much lately, so this was a good reason to use up some oranges. So first we want the zest of about 2 oranges. I got this cool little zesty tool, but you know, just use a grater or whatever. So by zest, just the very outer part of the yellow bit, orange bit. The clue is in the fruit's name. One cup of sugar. Okay, so then we want the juice of one of those oranges. Two eggs. Half a cup of oil, just any type of oil will do. Half a cup of yogurt. Now I'm just using my homemade Greek yogurt, but as this is going in sweet baking, it won't really matter if it's, you could probably just use any type of yogurt really. Give it a whiz whiz. Knock back in all those orange rinds that will have stuck to your blender. Now we'll put in 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. If you don't have that I should say, just use 1.5 cups of normal flour and a couple of teaspoons of baking powder should do the trick. Again, the essential ingredient, we want 250 grams of chocolate chips. Any kind of chocolate chips will do. Although I got my scales out, I may not have been paying attention. I think that's... I put in a couple of cups there, but I don't know, I weighed them and then I just chucked them in. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, I'm just gonna scoop a few out. According to Google, 1 cup is about 170 grams, so I just probably put way more than what I need in. Who's gonna complain though? Seriously. Oh, Mum, you put too much chocolate in this. Oh, no. Said no child ever. So, I'm just going to give that a mix about with the spoon. Right. So this is going into a loaf pan. While I lick this, I'm going to put this in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. Okay, so that's a little bit fall aparty. I probably put way too much chocolate chips in there. Be sure to measure your chocolate chips, won't you? What I might do is, I'm going to cut it into thicker bits and like into squares, because otherwise it's just going to fall apart. I added way too many chocolate chips and it's very fall aparty. However, still, it may not be aesthetically pleasing, but I'm sure it'll be taste buddy pleasing. You guys may attack. Alright, this smells amazing. I decided to slice some of the bits a bit thicker and more into squares, and so because it was just falling apart. Oh, it smells like Jaffa's. It's absolutely
like it too. And orangey.
I am out.
Oh. I will take too much chocolate because there's maybe too much chocolate.
That is absolutely thumbs up, indisputably Jaffa flavoured. It is orangey, it is chocolatey, it is super moist thanks to the influx of chocolate chips. Aston is coming, I suspect he will also want to taste.
Oh, I can definitely taste orange.
It is orangey, chocolatey, sweet, yummy.
Good.
Aside from the texture, which was my bad for not fully measuring the chocolate chips correctly.
We're touching with too much chocolate.
That is beautiful. Absolutely try this, guys. And leave me a comment and subscribe and make some of this. Just make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing than this. Bye.